And it's amazing to see the impact of just what sounds like a small degree higher can have on our environment, Paul.
Yeah, you would think, okay, 2 degrees, what's the big difference? But we're talking a full degree Celsius over the entire volume of the atmosphere surrounding the Earth. That's a significant departure. And here in the Bay Area, we had some record-setting temperatures as well. The average temperature for the month of September was almost in the top 10 in San Francisco. It was in the top 5 in San Jose and Santa Rosa, and it was the warmest September on record in Concord, which isn't too big a deal because the climate data in Concord only goes back about 22 years. But Livermore, we have records dating back to the early 20th century, and it was the warmest September on record. And of course, we've kept most of that warmth just right on going into the month of October. We've got more near record high temperatures the next couple of days. Combine that with low humidity and gusty winds, and that all factors into our fire danger index, a scale from 0 to 10. Which we weren't that high yet today, maxing out at around 3 or 4. But those numbers are actually going to go up overnight as the winds start gusting up. You can see parts of Sonoma County, Napa County, especially where you see the brighter colors outlined. That's where we're going to be toward the top of the scale. Those numbers do retreat a little bit as we head through the day tomorrow, but the red flag warning continues through 11 o'clock on Friday morning, because we're going to see another peak of that fire danger in the pre-sunrise hours of Friday morning as the winds get gusty and the dry air will still be here and temperatures are going to remain very warm overnight. Hopefully some improvement as the wind begins to die down Friday afternoon. High temperatures today, well, already record-setting in a couple of spots. Napa tied a record at 97 degrees. Concord set a record at 96 degrees. Got to 90 degrees in San Jose, 85 degrees in Fremont, 83 in San Francisco, and 72 degrees in Half Moon Bay. That's above average. It's still 81 degrees at SFO, and temperatures are right around 80 downtown. Still plenty of 90s on the map. It's 95 in Santa Rosa and Concord, also 95 degrees in Fairfield, 93 in Livermore, and 88 degrees right now in San Jose. Those temperatures tonight only drop down into the low to mid 60s, but these are a lot of the valley locations. You go up in elevation and the temperatures are going to be even warmer. Some spots staying in the 70s to around 80 degrees in the hills of the North Bay, and that's a big problem, especially when you factor in how much temperatures are going to warm up tomorrow. We're going to be close to 20 degrees above average, so well into the 80s. A lot of inland spots making it up into the 90s. Let's zoom around. We're talking about 80-degree high temperatures along the coast on Thursday. Low 90s around the south end of the bay with mid-90s for the Santa Clara Valley, and mostly mid-90s for the Tri-Valley with triple-digit heat along and east of the Diablo Range. The middle of October, 4 weeks into fall already, and temperatures are going to be approaching triple digits in a few spots at least. Temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s around the bay, with low to mid, even upper 90s for the North Bay, and the same thing farther north for Sonoma County and Napa County. This is why we have the red flag warning with that combination of heat, dry conditions, and gusty winds. And we're going to be close to records once again tomorrow. Not in San Francisco, about 6 degrees off the pace, but forecasting a record-tying high in Oakland of 90, a record-breaking high in San Jose of 95. Close to records in Santa Rosa, and 97 degrees should break a record high temperature in Livermore and breaking the record high temperature in Concord as well. The heat advisory kicks in at 11 o'clock tomorrow, goes through 9 o'clock on Friday. Just take it easy in the heat. It's not as hot as the conditions we saw back on Labor Day, but at this point we should be getting some cooler temperatures, and we just aren't until the beginning of next week, at least closer to what's normal for this time of year. We'll take a look at the other advisories that are still in effect coming up at 6 o'clock.